Okay, so this one is a sex shop. So for people that don't know, and I didn't know it until I just walked by it, but I walked in and did another video there, so we're going to show you where they're at least, so you get some, so you kind of know more about Macau. All right, stay tuned. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna check out this sex shop. It's kind of near something called Magic 6 Bar and Karaoke. Give you some more references. This is the something over here called the Crazy Horse Show. Crazy something show. I can barely see it. A sauna hotel called Golden Dragon Casino and Hotel. There's another one called Casa Royale down that way, Casa Royale Hotel. So this little area looks like it's there's a Fisherman's Wharf, so you can actually walk. You can take this up here and go all the way to Fisherman's Wharf over that way as well. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna just kind of see if we kind of give you some references. So over there is also Macau Ferry Terminal is down that way, that little building right there. What we're gonna do is walk in here. So now you have a couple of references, and then we're gonna just see, probably be a short video. I kind of came across it in another video, but sometimes people, there's like Magic Karaoke bar right here. And then I did another video where I was focusing on Casa Royale and just kind of walking all the way around it. And then I saw some different things. But this is the sex shop, and it's called the Funny Sex Shop. There's a place to eat, I guess. So yeah, the Funny Sex Shop. And then there's a few other ones too. They're closed. I'm kind of just walking around exploring on a Sunday. And there's a bunch of saunas and things like that down there. No, massage shops. Then I also saw another sex shop, which is currently closed. I don't know if it's always closed or oh, it says it's open. But I can't bring a camera in there, of course. And I saw a third one over here. So there's three that are kind of near each other anyways. And we're just gonna keep kind of walking through it a little bit more. So there's one right there too. And we're just gonna walk. And then we're kind of inside this little complex area. I'll try to give you some references. I'll bring you to a street sign. I was just kind of walking in here anyways earlier. So yeah, so we saw some restaurants, of course. And then you can kind of keep exploring all these little places in here. And just so, like those ones with the big giant feet. Like this one is massage. That one's also a massage there. And then I kind of saw them everywhere. Then it's kind of interesting because we're gonna go to one, we're gonna locate the street sign. Then we're also going to show you this Thai temple as well. So I think there's like more stuff to explore everywhere in here. And right to the right, I'll show you some street signs in a minute. So if you are on Google Maps, you can look at Casa Royale, Golden Dragon, to kind of see where we are. And it's interesting because there's also like some little Thai area too. So there's our street name right there. Avenida do Dr. Rodriguez. And you kind of have that interesting area. And over here you have like a little Thai thing with elephants and a shrine. And Hua do Terminal, this is a maritime ferry terminal. So we're not too far from there. Then you have this little Thai shrine as well, which is kind of interesting that you have like all the other ones. So we're gonna kind of come out a little bit, get all these Thai references here. So we're in Macau. And so you kind of, this, I don't know, sometimes if I have a video like this, it attracts different people and they'll come because of the titles, right? So basically what I do on this one is just kind of walk around and I show people Macau. So the purpose isn't really to, here's another massage place. Balinese foot massage, all kinds of stuff. Macau. So we're gonna keep checking stuff out. And okay. So I guess we're gonna end this video in a minute. And then yeah, this one kind of goes to the ferry terminal right there. I guess what we'll do is we'll just kind of we'll take this crosswalk over. We'll just see if we can find some other ferry terminal. Yeah, and then that spot right over there goes to the ferry terminal. So a lot of people come in off the ferry terminal, then they'll come into these little areas. So see, there's also some residential apartments in here too. So I think what we'll do is we'll just walk down a little bit further. Okay. So yeah, this one will just go over to the ferry terminal. So there's Fisherman's Wharf over there. And I don't know, I think we're just gonna end it right here, but you can kind of see some of it. That's our street, the street of the ferry terminal, maritime terminal. Let's end it right there. So I think we came in over there somewhere, Golden Dragon, Casa Real. So if people are viewing and they're trying to find, or kind of trying to see what's, whatever. Yeah, and this is basically, I'm just walking around Macau and showing stuff, so this is what I'm showing today. Lots of other stuff about Macau, you can check that out too. All right. That's gonna end this video because that right there is the ferry terminal to Hong Kong, and it also goes to China. And basically it's COVID right now, so those things are closed. But we're basically right here at the that same street right there. So we're on this street, which is the same one, so just kind of connect it for people. I should have walked all the way down, but if I do, there's another casino there, Legend Palace Hotel, then the hotel ferry terminal right there. So yeah, basically all this stuff is when you come off the ferry terminal. Okay, let's end it right there.